set free until you learn this math problem, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Get to work.
When the imposter is us.
Faster. Wrong. Wrong.
You are wrong.
One more. I do not know how to do math.
I don't know. I don't count.
Fix it. Faster.
You are my baka.
You're 3.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Caroline was able to escape because she knew how to solve this problem. If you'd like to be able to do the same thing, here's what you need to do. So, you draw a bracket and you add the numbers that are corresponding to each other. So, for example, 5 plus 2 is 7. And then you continue doing the same thing all throughout the brackets.
And that's how you do matrices.
Matrices.
We're being kidnapped.
Period, Queen. You tell them.
You're not going to be released until you solve this math problem. So find the center.
Oh no. I'm just gonna find an answer of this.
Well, should have known how to do it.
Oh my God, he's dead!
The officer died in this situation, but if you want to avoid that, here's how to do this. This is from Unit 5, Conics circles. So the first thing you're going to do is you want to make sure you have all of your variables grouped together. And since this y is apart from this, you want to put it over there. So you're going to subtract it from both sides. So then you're going to have x squared plus 4x plus y squared minus this 2y equals 12. And then what you're gonna do is take these and put them over 2. So that's gonna get you 2, and then you square it, and that's 4. So you're gonna add 4 to each side. And then you're gonna do the same thing with this. So 2 over 2 equals 1. And then you square it, and that equals 1. So you're gonna add 1, add 1. So that's 17. That's gonna be your radius. And then you're gonna have to find the root of that. So that's gonna be that, but we're just trying to find the center here. So then, in your parentheses, it's gonna be, you're gonna take this number and keep the sign on each one. So for x, it's gonna be x plus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared. So your center, stop it.
No, you're right, you're right.
Yeah. Okay, your center is gonna be -2, comma, -1.
Woo! Conics!
Hey! You're being kidnapped to solve this math problem.
Oh no.
Solve that.
That's why
she was raggedy. That's why your mama did.
I totally forgot.
You're doing so good, Chris.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chris. Correct. Correct.
You got it right, so you are being set free. We're back with conics. So, you see this problem. You don't want there to be a number in front of the x and y's. So, our first step is we need to divide out 2 from all of the numbers. Now, we divide the 2 and we get x squared plus 4x plus y squared equals 4y plus 6. Now, we want the 4y on this side of the equal sign. So we have to subtract it and move it over. Now we have x squared plus 4x plus y squared minus 4y equals 6. So to get the center, we have to do 4 over 2 equals 2. And then we have to square that. So square the 2, and that's 4. So you add 4 to both sides. And then you do the same thing with this. This is a negative 4, so you still divide it by 2. That gives you negative 2, and you square that as well, which is another 4. And you add that to over here too. Now to get the center, it's going to be these points, and it'll be x, you keep the sign, plus 2 squared plus x minus 2 y minus 2 squared. That was
Prank.
to test
That was a
y'all.
prank, guys.
That was to test y'all. And then, so that's standard form. To get it in our points, our coordinates, you take the opposite sign. So it would be negative 2, comma, positive 2. There you go. Boom. Conics.
$19 Fortnite card. Who wants it?
Answer this math problem or else you're not being released. Go. That's stuck. Girl boss like Miss Ramsey, here's how to do this. So, you want to divide out this 5 because you want the variables to be alone. So 5, 5, 5. So this is going to be x squared equals 16, and then it's going to be minus y squared. And then you want to get the variables together, so you're going to add y squared to each side. So it's going to be x squared plus y squared equals 16. And we want to find the points and the radius. So this would be 0 and 0. So it'd be 0, 0 for your points. And then the radius, we find the square root of this, which is 4. So radius equals 4. And that's how you solve it.
Yes. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the thumbs up button down below.
Don't forget to girl boss, gatekeep, and gaslight always.
Mwah. Love y'all.